Everybody's doing well. I am so sick of trying to buy something at Walmart. I will not go into the store. Try to use curbside pickup. Try to order some Energizer 2300 milliamp batteries. Said they had 7 in stock. I only needed 2, 8. Came to $30, and all of a sudden I go there. It tells me my order's placed. It's ready for pickup. I get there. No orders placed. They don't have the inventory. They don't know when they're going to be getting it in. Online shows it out of stock. So then I had to call their customer service and go through the whole rigmarole to get my $30 refund, and still going to take 4 to 5 days to get my refund back to my bank account. So anyways, started Googling where I can get rechargeable batteries. And actually these Thunderbolts, even though the Thunderbolt AA alkalines I've done a review on in the past suck, all the reviews I've seen show that the Thunderbolt rechargeables actually work well. So I got 2 AA's, AAA's, C and D, and I got their little wall charger. And I actually have my old, I think it's Energizer charger, even though one slot's broke. It does do AAA's, C's, and D's, and yeah, it does a 9-volt there as well. So I did not buy a 9-volt battery. Don't know what uses a 9-volt battery anymore. So anyways, and then I do have the Energizer one from that video there we bought last year. I can't find the rest of my batteries. I can only find 4 of them, and since I moved, who the heck knows where what went where. So we're going to get these opened up, put them in a couple of chargers, their charger, my charger, and see how long they take and see what they do. We're going to try them in some digital night vision. Hopefully you've been watching and enjoying my digital night vision videos. Okay, get the first 4 plugged in. Energizer charger. Let me put this in a power strip and let's see what happens here. Should turn red that they're charging, unless they're already charged. They are charging. You see the red light. They do say on the website that they do come fully charged. However, this charger says they need some time to charge, so let's move on with the next charger. Say on the back, automatic current selection adjusts to battery capacity. Bright LED indicates when battery charged. Reverse polarity charges full batteries in 8 to 15 hours depending on battery type. Lovely. Let's get it's not going to overcharge them too fast as a fast charger would. Charge up to 4 nickel battery hard drives at one time. Okay, let me get my X-Acto knife and open this thing up. Class 2 battery charger. I'm not sure the class differences in battery chargers equates to. Will the tab down. Let me get 4 AA's charged up. I need those for the digital night vision for later, and yeah, let's see what happens here. Okay, now I can see it in the camera. It's rather dark in my room. There is an indication. Positive side goes up to the top. I was wondering about that. So, okay, let me get the other 3 in, and let's see what happens. On the floor, looks like we got 2 LED lights. Maybe it charges 2 in sequence. We'll shut off the light, see what happens. Yeah, it's still 2 lights. Okay, doesn't make any difference. Got my old dusty, trusty Energizer charger. One slot did break, the spring or something in there. Gave up the ghost. I'm not going to tear it apart or fix it, but I'm going to dig out a couple of D batteries, a couple of C's, and let's see what happens here. Okay, let's open up the D's and the C's, put them in that charger, and let's see what happens here. This thing's giving up the ghost. Plug the thing in the side, just broke, cracked, it's been old. So I guess I'm not going to charge the, well, I got 1 charging, but son of a beach. I got to get a new C and D charger. It's kind of messy, kind of dirty. But I got the first 4 Thunderbolt Magnums charged. Let's look at the other ones in the charger. So I got the, hi Louie, hi babe. Energizer charger, charging the last 4 Magnums. I'm trying to charge my old Rayovacs in the Harbor Freight charger. So anyways, it looks like my Energizer charger works better and faster than the Harbor Freight. It had the Harbor Freight batteries in the Harbor Freight charger, and they weren't doing a damn thing. I don't know if I get a defective charger or whatnot, but anyways, batteries seem to work. Okay, I'm going to put these batteries in the little trays. They're going to go in my, what is it, Stealth Cam digital night vision binoculars, and Let's see how they work. This will give them a real drain. The 2 infrared illuminators in front drain alkaline batteries mighty damn quick. Okay, got the the Magnum batteries into there. Powered up. Oops. Try to hold the thing up to one lens. Where the heck am I? And where are we? Look in the bottom, we got green. See if I can sneak my hand down and turn the infrared illuminators on. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Illuminators are on all the way with alkalines, Duracells, energizers, Rayovacs, anything. Oh yeah, see, it's starting to drop the symbol on it. So, yep. Weird. Let me get a voltmeter. Let's check one of these batteries. Got my field piece meter. Let me check these and see if I can. Well, I can't do it holding the camera at the same time, but let me check them and I'll report back. Okay, the battery on the left is doing 1.387 volts. One on the right, 1.388 volts. Why? The difference, who knows, but close enough. I also used my energized charger to charge up these old Radio Shack rechargeable batteries, the gold ones. I think they had silver and gold. The gold were better than the silver, something like that. I can't remember. And I can't remember if it was Energizer or Duracell that made all the batteries for Radio Shack. Even though you're buying Radio Shack batteries, they're made by one of the 2 big names. So, anyways, these ones are holding 1.387 volts, so not bad. And these batteries are probably 25 years old. Got them in 1998, and now it's 2024. Maybe my math is off, but anyways, that's how old these batteries are. Got these, I don't know where the rest of them are, for my son's old RC-controlled monster car. I bought him when he was a couple years old. Okay, I had the infrared illuminators. I'll show you the video up on 7, which is the highest, which makes the digital night vision pretty damn bright. And it started dropping down after a few minutes into the yellow, about half scale. Once I reduce it back down to 2, the battery meter in this digital night vision binocular goes back to green. So that's a good sign. They're able to recover, or at least hold their charge and some amperage for a little while here in this thing. Like alkaline batteries, which would be flashing red at me and telling me unit's going to shut off because there's no power left, no voltage, no amperage. Energizer's done. The green light comes on. Apparently at Harbor Freight, the red lights go off. Interesting. Okay, I must say one good thing about the excuse me, Thunderbolt. We got frost on the ground outside. Cold inside the house. I got to turn up the heat. But the Thunderbolt slim wall mount battery charger is, these batteries are from like 2000, 2001. They've been in my storage locker for the last 12, 15 years. I just was able to bring them up 3 out of 4. This one will not take a charge. Those 3 have took a charge. 1.3, 1.31 volts, one of them was, so a little bit higher than a 1.2, but I think we resurrected them and brought them back to life. Awesome. So the thing does work. At least nice, long, slow charges, where the Energizer seems to do it in a quicker process, which is probably not good for the life of the batteries.